Hey guys, Anthony here at Miller & Sons Plumbing. Today we're ripping out this old tub and we're going to spruce up this bathroom a little bit. So if you're looking for any remodeling work, please give us a call at the number below and we'll come out and do a free estimate for you. Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished remodeling this bathroom. Last you saw we were in the demo process. Now we've got it fully finished. We just finished installing this new Kohler drop-in deck mount tub, as well as this Delta polished brass trim with a diverter valve for a sprayer and a normal fixed head. The customer is very pleased with it, loves the way it looks, and is very happy with the full renovation. And if you're interested in any remodel work like this, please call the number down below. We'll come out and do a free estimate for you and get you started.